In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy emails from Gmail to Microsoft Excel. We're going to walk through a simple, manual method that works really well when you only have a few emails to move over. This is perfect if you're organizing a small list of messages, building a quick report, or saving important information from your inbox into a spreadsheet. First, open your Gmail account in your browser and navigate to the specific email you want to copy. Make sure the email is fully opened so you can see everything you might want to transfer, such as the sender, subject line, date, and the main message body. Next, you'll select the text you want to move into Excel. You can click and drag your mouse over the sender's name or address, the subject line, and any part of the email body that you want to keep. Take a moment to decide what's actually useful. For example, if you're tracking customer inquiries, you might grab the date, who it's from, the subject, and a short summary of the message instead of the entire email. Once you've highlighted the text you need, copy it using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C if you're on a Mac. Then switch over to Excel and open a new blank worksheet. Click into the cell where you want to start, usually A1 if the sheet is completely empty. Now paste the content using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. At this point, all of the text from the email will appear in the cells. Sometimes it might all go into one cell, and other times Excel may split it across multiple cells, depending on how the email text is structured. That's normal. The final step is to format your columns so your data is easy to read and analyze. A simple structure might be one column for the date, one for the sender, one for the subject, and another for the body of the email. You can type the headers date, from, subject, and body in the first row, then place the copied text in the appropriate columns underneath. You may need to cut and paste pieces of the text into the right columns to keep things organized. Repeat this process for each email you want to copy. In just a few minutes, you'll have a clean, simple Excel sheet with the exact email details you need.